Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use the Silly George Liner Bond Lash Glue. If you guys saw my last review, that was when it first released and it came in the black shade, but now it's available in clear, which I mentioned in the last video I was super excited about because I don't always wear top eyeliner. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Victoria Jamison Kraft. I'm a professional makeup artist from Dallas, Texas. I do product reviews, tutorials, tips and tricks, and even social media advice. Make sure you guys hit the red subscribe button and tap that bell if you haven't yet so that you get all my notifications and you don't miss out on any of my new videos. This is my amazing early squad from my last video. These were the first 3 comments. Huge shout out to them for having their notifications on. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply the liner bond, trying out the new formula for the clear for the first time. Let me know in the comments below what you typically use as lash glue, or even if you're a lash person or not. I know there's so many people out there that are new to lashes, and I do think that this is a great product for people that want to try fake lashes but are a little bit intimidated by the process. For me, this is a great option because it easily removes, but it holds strong all day. And you have the option of black where you can have eyeliner for the top, or now the clear where you don't have to have any liner showing, which I think is awesome. If you guys want to snag liner bond, I am an affiliate for Silly George, so you can support my channel by clicking the link in the description to grab yours. All right guys, let's jump into it. Keep watching to see how to use the clear liner bond by Silly George. Just got this in the mail a couple days ago, and I will say I love Silly George's packaging. Like, look how cute their branding is. This is a company that's based out of Australia and is a pretty small brand, and I always love supporting small brands. So when you open the box, it says "Open Me," which I think is super adorable. And one thing you guys will notice about this new liner bond is that it's in a pink bottle instead of the black bottle, so you're actually going to be able to tell them apart super easily if you have both of them. Now, if you guys haven't seen how liner bond works, I'll give you guys the cliff notes. It's basically an eyeliner that doubles as a lash adhesive, and it's not a lash glue, fun fact. So it doesn't have like latex or any of that nasty stuff that a lot of lash glues on the market have, which is personally one of the reasons why I love it, because I have really sensitive eyes. I'll link my original first impression and review down in the description in case you guys want to check that out. So here's what the component looks like. Ignore all the eyeshadow on my hand. I just filmed a makeup tutorial. Let's check out the applicator if I can. Ugh. So the applicator is a felt tip, just like the black liner bond. I have eyeshadow on my hand and I don't feel like taking it off, so we're just gonna work around it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the liner bond on my hand so you guys can see what it looks like. It's super clear, like you really can't even see it, which is nice. I was like so shook by this when it first came out because it's just such a new product, and there's a lot of brands popping up trying to copy Silly George, but I will say that they are one of the original brands to have this product. So today I'm going to be using some of my favorite lashes. I will link in the description for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys how to put these on. Really quick, before I put the lashes on themselves, I'm gonna put some mascara on. It's super important if you have light eyelashes, like if you're blonde or your eyelashes are a little bit lighter than black, you're gonna wanna put mascara on before you apply any false lashes. The main reason being is this blends in your lash with your natural eyelashes. Super important, just like fake eyelashes 101. I do have a whole tutorial on just like how to apply lashes that I will link for you guys, but this is just a super easy way to make these blend in a little bit better and look a little bit more natural. Does everyone else make this face when they put on bottom mascara? You just have to, right? It's just like, it just comes with the territory. Now, my lashes are already pretty long just because the mascara I use has growth serum in it, but I like having fake lashes because it definitely gives like a different look to your eye makeup. It just kind of like completes everything. So you always want to trim your lashes first. So I'm just gonna measure these. And I always have to trim off a good amount because I have pretty small eyes. Hooded eye problems. Now that we're all prepped, we're gonna break out the liner bond. I'm so excited, you guys. I've been waiting for this one to come out. So I'm gonna put the clear where I want my lashes to be. So I'm gonna go from my inner corner all the way to the outer corner. And I'm using a patting motion instead of a dragging motion because I really don't wanna get my eyeshadow all over this brush or all over the felt tip because I know that's inevitable, but I just wanna, you know, keep that happening for as long as possible. So after I'm done with this, I am gonna wipe it off just to prevent any product left over from my eyeshadow being on the brush. But inevitably, the only downside is that it is gonna get a little bit of product on it. It's gonna get a little stained from any eyeshadow you have on. Let me grab my lash. So with liner bond, you're just gonna set this down like you would with a normal fake lash. This is amazing though, like I literally can't even see it. And I'm gonna pinch it towards my lash line just like I would if I was using lash glue. And you guys, look at that. It's on there. It's good to go. Like, we're good. And look how fast that was. Like, honestly, I don't know why everyone's not using this. You don't have to put the glue on and let it set, and then it gets all messy and on everything, and it's on your hands, and like, ugh, like you don't have to deal with that, which is great. It's 2020. We shouldn't have to deal with that. So again, I'm just pressing this against the lash line. I like get nervous because you can't really see any product, but like I know it's coming out, I know it's there, but you really can't see it at all. The brush has gotten a little bit of staining on it, but nothing too crazy. I can already tell I'm loving the clear version of this so much better because I don't always want to put a line from the inner corner of my eye all the way to the outer corner, depending on what look I'm doing. Like, I have hooded eyes, so it just doesn't work for me all the time. I heard some people in the comments of my last video saying that like it doesn't last all day for them, or that they're having lifting in the outer corners. Typically what that means is that you're not putting enough product there to begin with, so I would just make sure to be extra diligent in those areas when you're applying so that you don't end up having any lifting by the end of the day. But the great thing about this is it doesn't leave residue on your lashes, so your lashes last for longer, and it's super easy to remove, and you're not like fighting all of the little gunk in your lashes, which happens to me with like Duo Lash Glue and other products like that. You guys, look how easy that was. I want you guys to let me know in the comments whether you think you would use the black or the clear more often. Honestly, I can see myself using them both a lot, but I probably will be using the clear a lot more. I'm totally obsessed with this product. Like, I can't even hide it. It's just so good. Like, I don't understand why people are wasting their time on these messy lash glues that have like formaldehyde and like, ooh, like ickiness in them. I love that this is cruelty free and safe, and like I know what I'm getting. And there you go. They're done. Let me give you guys a close up. I'm super impressed with this formula. You really can't see it at all. The earlier version of the clear that I tested out for them turned like a little bit blue when you put it on, so you could see it while you were applying, but you cannot see this while you're applying at all, which I guess could be a good thing and a bad thing. I like that there's like no residue. Like, you just can't see it. 10 out of 10, you guys. Silly George, you guys hit it out of the park again with this new shade. I just love it. I like to push my lashes up like this after I put them on. Like I said, if you guys want to snag this, I have my affiliate link down in the description. Our viewer of the week is Hey Girl Hey. Thanks for being one of my amazing viewers. Make sure you guys show her some love in the comments. Remember, to be viewer of the week, all you have to do is screenshot this video and tag me on Instagram so I know you watched. As always, you can click my face down there to subscribe to my channel and tap that bell so you don't miss out on any notifications, and you can be part of my early squad. Be sure to click one of the videos to your right to keep watching my channel. I do have new merch out, and I'll put the link down in my description. Let me know which product reviews you want to see next. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scout.